Hello everyone, welcome to the channel again. Today we are here with another interview question which is very frequently asked for your interview. So before proceeding, if you're preparing for the SQL interview, please watch my playlist of SQL interview question and answer. You will get confidence before going the interview for SQL related interview questions because in videos you will get all the explanation how they ask, how you answer your question, and of what is the background of your data flowing in the SQL table and the SQL queries. Okay, so let's begin with today's topic. Today's topic is how to find any and salary in your table using SQL query. That means suppose interview ask, could you please tell me about how you find first highest salary in the table? Or they will ask, give me the query to find a 15th salary, or they ask write the dynamic query for you, right? So sometimes they tricked you on the any number they will give, and you have to write the dynamic query which give the result of the particular number of salary you have to give to them. So let's go to second slide. So there are many ways to find the salary, right? So I am going to demonstrate you about how you can find the maximum salary using max functions. We have one more method use subqueries and CT. CT is a common table expression where I'll go one by one on all the section. So based on question, how interview ask, you have to define which way you are going to impress your queries skills to your interviewer. Okay. So finding the salary is the smallest part. So what you have to do, you have to use any method. You have n number of method to, to define your answer on your salary wise. So let's go one by one how you define the salary. Let's directly jump into SSMS where I run the query and demonstrate you how you find the max salary. Okay, so let me drop the table first. What you have, we have. Let me create from the scratch so you will understand how the data looks like, how the structure of the table. Okay, so let me run the query. You can see I have five columns here. Okay, ID is my primary column. Okay, so you understand the description of that where we have is integer type. We have a primary key means unique is defined. Okay, the first name we have and whereas we have last name, we have gender, we have salary. Okay, so just focus on the salary part today because the question is how you define n number of salary on dynamic way. Okay, let me insert some data so you will understand how the data looks like and how we can go ahead. Okay, let me run the query. Simple set of that. So I have 10 records. Okay, I have salary on each employee. I have first name and last name. It's not matter in today's video, but I have to more discuss about the salary. So s- I think you're not able to understand the how the data structure is right for the salary wise salary column. So let me do the order by so you can understand what is the maximum salary, what is the minimum salary. So if you do this query means select star from employee where order by salary descending. I am defining the data on descending on salary column. So I have two salary for 80,000, correct? You can see is I have taken duplicate data because I want to because interview asks sometime, right? If you have duplicate data, same salary, then how you define? That's a tricky part. So I have taken that part as well. How to get a maximum on that on top of that. Okay. So I'll go one by one. Once you go in the video till last, you will able to answer how to handle those situations. Okay, so I'll take one by one. So I am going to discuss about three clauses here. I will use max salary, I will use subquery part, and I will use a CT part. So which manner you comfortable to answer, just prepare for that and give the answer as per the question comes. Okay, suppose if ask you how what is a maximum salary on the table, right? So you not use CT on that, you not use substring on that. So what you have to do, you have to use max function. So there is very much straightforward answer. If you want to find a maximum salary on top of the table, you have to define max salary. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to use select max salary function, and inside the function you have to use a column which you want to find the maximum salary. So you have to do that. Okay. So you can see in top of that I have a maximum salary. Correct. Let me run both the correct. So if I see what is my maximum salary in the employee table, it's the 80,000. Okay, I'm getting correct output. There's no confusion. It's a straightforward answer you have to give. So if I go ahead, if I find a maximum salary on second highest salary if I want. So my second highest salary is which one? 8,000 or 7,000, 70,000, 80,000, 70,000. I have a 70,000 my maximum salary. Okay. So if I run this query, let me run the one by one part. So in the subquery part, I have stored 80,000 is my maximum salary. You getting my point? So if I run this query, first query, what is order by clause? So, so what is a less than salary from 80,000? Okay. If I do that, what is a maximum salary? Let me do that 80,000. So if you see that, what the output come it what is a less than 80,000? Less than 80,000 is 70,000, correct? You will understand. I know it's duplicate, but it doesn't matter, right? If it is a less than 80,000, it will go to 70,000. Let me run the query, correct? So let me substitute with this again, right? I am holding 80,000 here, so less than 80,000 is 70,000 here, correct? So first outer query run this query holding 80,000, and once we comparing it, so what is a less than 80,000 salary is 70,000. I hope that makes point to you, correct? So this part is also clear. So now interview want to understand you have used a maximum function. So how you get a nth salary? Interview ask give me the 10th highest salary or third highest salary or a 15th or 90 80,000 salary. So how you answer that? So I am going to discuss about two methods to define that nth salary. How we do that? We can use subquery first. Okay. So let me write note down the query to you. Okay, and let me bring the table so you will see data is correctly or not. Okay. So let me take example of I want a third highest salary. Okay, you getting my point? So let if I want to get a third highest salary, so third highest salary is 60,000. Correct. So what I have to do, I have to put n here, third. Okay. So let me run the query and you will get what I'm trying to say here. So this is just a inner query. Okay. So inner query I am getting 80,000, 70,000 and 60,000. Correct. And what I'll do, I want top n. So suppose I'll do order by is ascending order, right? But here you can see descending order because here inner query I have order by the descending. If I do order by salary on ascending order, what it will do? It will convert as a 60,000. Let me do that. Let me do salary. Okay. Let me run that. So it changed, right? 60,000, 70,000, and 80,000. Do you understanding, right? So inner query I use order by descending order. In outer query I am doing ascending order. By default, taking ascending is a SQL functionality. Okay, so what I have to do, I just do top one. If I put top one here, it will pick up as a which one? Third highest salary because inner query I have a top three here. Let me run the query. Yeah, correct. So we are getting 60,000 on that. So if I want of fifth highest salary, let me see what is fifth highest salary. 35. Let me cross check. First highest salary, second highest salary, third highest salary, fourth highest salary is same, right? And my fifth salary is 35,000. So do I get correct answer? Correct. Yeah. So this is using subquery part. Quite simple. You have to just remember what part? Inner query part where we have to use distinct. Why we use distinct? Because we have a duplicate data, correct? So that's keep in mind. You have to find distinct top five salary based on your requirement and you have to change it and just do order by descending order first. So once your data descending means toppest is the highest and lowest is the downfall. So what you have to do, you have to do order by descending first in inner query and order by ascending on the outer query. Okay, correct. So you can answer very frequently. You can do the answer very confidently. How you find the top nth number of salary or use subquery. Let me go to second part. Okay, how you find a salary using CTE. So let me define the output here first. Let me get the main query. What is the data we have? So you will not confused. Okay. So here, sorry, I think it's not copied. Let me copy again. Now let's take example here, just like it's finding the data of top 1. Okay. So let me run the date query here. So is defining the distinct value based on that. Okay, I'll go to rank row number function later. So let me give the interview perspective. Why we use dense rank? What is the difference on row number and dense rank? Okay, let me define the dense rank first. So if you see, I have done order by this salary, means already salary is descending order, and I am giving the dense rank. Dense rank means if it's the salary is the same, it's a duplicate, then it define only one same rank to that particular amount. Let me repeat that. I am doing order by based on salary column on descending order. Okay, this is order descending order. Okay, you can see, and I'm defining the dense rank based on the data. Means if it is salary is 80,000, I'm assigning one rank for them, both the data. You can see. So my first salary is 80,000, second highest salary is 70,000, and third would be 60,000. Correct. So duplicate value assign one. So if I do a row number, for your clarification, I'm doing row number here. A row number. Okay. Okay. You can see for 80,000 I'm getting one, again it one, three. Correct. So each value. So again, so here you can see what is the output of row number, right? So row number and dense rank difference is row number define each row distinct rank. Okay, one, two, three, four, right? So, but if I have same set of data, I don't want that to be defined a different rank. So what we have to do, is use a dense rank function. Okay. So I think this you able to identify what is the difference between row number function and dense rank function. Row number function is define each row distinct value, and dense rank will be same value will give a same rank. There is no difference. Okay, so it will define this. So let me run the query. So inner query has given distinct rank for each salary. Okay, means same salary have same rank. Okay. Now what I am doing in the outer query, I am doing top one salary. What is the top one salary here? One, right? Where dense rank is equal to one. If I want to do a top two, what is my second salary is 70, correct? If I do three, so 67 you will get, correct. So in today's session, what we have discussed, how to find nth number of salary, correct. So my first salary using max, I have discussed about using substring, subqueries we have to do, and third function we have discussed about dense rank function. So if interview ask how to find fifth highest salary dynamic way, what you have to do, you have to go with the dense rank function. Okay, don't use the row number, because there might be interviewed not expecting what they expecting. They are want to be get output dynamic way. Why they give 60,000 has to be or not. So for the best interview practice, you go with a dense rank. Okay, so how you define? So we can use dense rank function to identify the duplicate salary on one rank. So we have to use dense rank function, and on a result set we have to do where clause with your rank. Okay, so you will able to answer with that. Okay, so let me show row number is not even used, that's why I'm not going to on deeper side, not debugging. So you can able to answer your answer here, how we can find the duplicate value for nth numbers. Okay, so today's that's for all today. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Please watch the playlist of interview question answer series. It will help you to give the answer in